So I'm in Great Hills looking at this property. It's a 3,500 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home that has been renovated, I think recently. It looks nice, other than these stairs that I don't particularly care for, but let's check it out. And I remind you, this is a 360 video, meaning that you can control the angle. And don't forget to put it on 4K. So entering the home, what do I see? I have an office here, and I have this open space here that can be converted into a second office if we so choose, or we can just keep it open, use it as for formal dining and like formal living area, whatever that you want. Behind me, there's this diagonal corridor that I don't particularly love, but behind this, we have the master bedroom and the living area with tall ceilings and big kitchen. Upstairs, we have 3 additional bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom and an additional full bathroom. So it's a very efficient layout, and let's check it out together. We have this office with the built-in cabinetry. Looks nice. They did this table with the same countertop as the kitchen. I think it's a cute design element. This area here is large. These ceilings are probably like 12 feet of height. I didn't show it to you, but here we have the powder room. So far away from the living room. I like this. This is the washer dryer and the garage. It's a 2-car garage with an oversized area. And this right here, the living room, is relatively, it's relatively large. It could have been larger had we not had this countertop that I'm not sure why you need, because the kitchen behind me is big enough in my opinion. So I would rather not having this and have a larger area, but you have like this bar here and that's cute. Tall ceilings here. We'll see the backyard later. The kitchen, the cabinetry is the original cabinetry. The stone has been upgraded. I think it's a natural stone, a bit brown, but it's good enough. Like I wouldn't change it. And if you love it, it's great. The backsplash is cute too. So all in all, the kitchen is legit. I don't think that you need to change anything here. Moving on to the master bedroom. So first we see a large space. As it's always the case, I don't get it. Like all these houses I'm showing, they always have their blinds down. I like to have more natural light, but you can see from here the backyard, it is cute. And when we go to the master bathroom, we're going to see that they've renovated it, and I think they've done it tastefully. So we have an oversized shower. They did delete the full bath, and it kind of makes sense. You have a bunch of cabinetry, and this walk-in closet is spacious enough. The diagonal shape, I'm not a fan of the diagonals. I don't think it makes sense, but it's fine. It's big enough. You have the toilet here, and then upstairs, let's see what we see there. One moment. 5 minutes. I'll do it quickly. Upstairs, we have this den, and we have a bedroom, a full bathroom here. You see, Jack and Jill. They don't have separate sinks, but it is what it is. We have another bathroom and another bedroom. So this would be a terrific guest suite with 2 children area, a game room, or maybe like a teenager suite. Last but not least, I'll show you the outside, and we already have the next appointment here. So I'm just going to mention that this house, 3,500 square feet in Great Hills, with great schools, they're asking for $1 million flat. Is it good value? Is it bad value? I think it's decent. The backyard is not huge, but it's good enough. It is private enough. You do see these neighbors here, but that's pretty much it. You don't see anything else. It's not huge here, you can see, but it's not small either, and it's not as slopey as I thought it's going to be. So all in all, I like this house. I think it's renovated enough for the price. I think it's decent value, and I like the layout. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.